Most people often harvest ramps in the spring while they're hunting morels. This video is going to show you how to find them in the fall time because they leave a little clue of a seed pod, and after their leaves have died down and become invisible, but they're still there. The root is still there, and you can enjoy at least a little bit of ramps in the fall as well with this video. Enjoy.
Nothing like it. Look at the size of them.
Yeah, some big bulbs right there.
What?
I was going to ask you about that.
Wow.
I thought we were done. You have got to be shitting me, man.
No. Look at the size of them bulbs. These are ramps.
What do the tops look like?
Like this guy.
This time of year, it's just a seed pod.
Wow, look at these babies.
All right.
Oh, just down there. Okay.
Wow.
So I had no idea you could actually get them.
We're going
Yeah, that's how you find them. That's how you find them in the fall.
No.
So this is a big ramp patch, and so this will in the spring this will just be solid ramp leaves.
Yep.
And they die down like within a month. They're only up for about 2 months or less.
Oh yeah, we noticed.
But that's what they look like.
I didn't know that. And they still taste good, right?
Oh yeah, they're still good.
Oh man.
I'm a ramp.
That's really cool.
She's dug ramps since she was a little girl in West Virginia. The bulbs are much bigger in the fall because they've had all summer to grow.
Now, do these die off after they seed?
No, they'll
come back next year?
up and
Be that big?
they won't. Well, when they come up, it takes the energy for the leaves so that it makes the bulb smaller.
Okay.
They get the biggest bulbs in the fall. Oh yeah, really? Still you. So this is how you find ramps in the fall.
Okay.
These little seed pods stick up right here, and
There are many of them here.
yeah. But in the spring, the leaves and everything are good to eat. But now I brought some with me because I found a bunch in the spring, and so we can take a few to have fresh. But I got some frozen that I brought. So it's if you never had them before, they're just kind of a cross between garlic and onion.
Real mild oniony.
They're awesome. They're really good for seasoning and.
Can you grow them in the house?
Yeah, you could grow them. They have to have shade, but if you got a shady spot, you could do it.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Kind of clean that off there, and it's good. Little black little bulb. Deeper. Yeah. Usually when I found them, they were a lot deeper.
Really?
Yeah.
There's a real little one.
Up in Michigan, man, they're
Solid, thick.
yeah. We'd be up there picking the yellows and slipping over the like bananas.
Bigger one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice one there. You like onion? Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it?
Very fresh.
Like it?
Yep.